I'm back. This is one of the most sophisticated and well-loved townhouse developments in Red Hill. Here I am at number 10 of the Fulcher Lane collection. On the ground level, you have a wide living, dining and entertaining space. There's stone bench tops, Miele appliances and a butler's pantry. The big sliding doors open you out to a comfortable entertainer's deck. Up the timber stairs to the top level, where you'll find all 3 bedrooms. There's a little study nook, laundry, and then there's that lovely, spacious main bedroom. The main bedroom will surprise and delight. Look at this fantastic walk-in robe, and your ensuite features a full-size bath. The bedroom easily accommodates a king-size bed. What an exciting location. The Broncos Leagues Club is here at the end of the street. You're surrounded by delightful parkland, walking tracks, the Ashgrove shops, and easy access to the city. What an opportunity. See you soon.